girls, first thing, if I want to compare and order integers, I have to use number line because it's easy for me, or it will be easier for me to compare between two decimals. And now we will see that in the first example. In the first example on page 145, I want to order, or I want to compare between numbers here, which is here -7 and -4. Because we are talking about one play of a football game, the ball changed position by negative yards or -7 yards on the next play. The ball changed position by -4 yards. Compare between -4 and -7. Let's compare between those two numbers. Okay, you know that when we have a whole numbers not without any sign, you remember that we talked about how to compare between the numbers and put the symbol into the greater one or the bigger one. But here my issue is what is the sign, the negative and the positive. So what I have to do, the easiest way for me is to use number line. Okay, that's mean I will locate each number on number line. Let's locate the first one, -7. What is -7? It's right here, right on the number line. This is -7. What about -4? What is -4? This is -4, right? Of course, those two numbers on the left side of 0, on the left side of 0, because they are negative. So I have to take the numbers on the left side. Okay. So now, just 1 minute. Okay. Now, girls, what about which one is the greater and which one is the smaller? Okay. Look at -7. -7 is on the left side of -4. And you remember on number line, when we move from this point into the right side, like this, in this direction, okay, I will write it again. When we move on this direction, like this, the numbers becomes greater, right? The number becomes greater. When we move from the left side to the right side, the number becomes what? Greater. This is a strategy when I want to order or compare between two numbers. And when we move into the, like this, into the left side, into the opposite side, the numbers becomes smaller. Okay, you have to save this strategy. On the number line, when I want to move from into the right side, the numbers becomes greater, and when I moved into the left side, the numbers becomes smaller. That's mean which one is the smaller number, -7 or -4? Look, I told you when we move into the right side, the numbers becomes greater. That's mean -4 greater than -7, because -7 on the left side of -4. Okay, -7 on the left side of -4. And when we come closer into the right side, the numbers becomes greater. That's why -4 greater than -7. So -7 is to the left of -4 on the number line. So -7 is what? If -4 is the greater number, that's mean -7 is the less. That's mean this number is the less than less than. Okay, I will write it again. Less than -4. And you can understand it in another way, girls. In another way. When I want to compare between two negative numbers, if I'm talking here about what? About -7, -4. Okay. You remember, if I want to compare between those two numbers without negative, okay? Without negative, without the sign. Look, you remember when I want to compare between those two numbers without negative sign, so I have to compare between the numbers 7 and 4 and decide that 7 greater than 4. So that's why the symbol will goes into 7. But if I have here negative, okay, the strategy will be opposite. I have the opposite strategy. That's mean when the negative number, when the negative number, the number becomes greater, the value of the negative number becomes smaller. When the negative number becomes greater, the value of the number becomes smaller. That means the value of the -7 smaller than the value of the -4. Okay? In negative numbers, in negative integers, I have the opposite strategy. We know that when the number becomes greater, the value of the number becomes greater also. But in negative numbers, I have the opposite strategy. When the number becomes greater, the value of the number becomes smaller. That's mean when I talk to you and I told you -4 or -7, which one is the greater? Of course, the number, when the number becomes greater, that means the value of the number is smaller. That means -7 is smaller or less than -4, and -4 is the greater number. Okay, girls? This is how I will compare between two negative integers. Now, let's move to the next one. The next exercise. Look at this exercise. Here I want to compare between 5 and -9, I think. 5 and -9. I want to compare here between a negative number and negative integer and positive integer. Why positive? Why 5 is positive? As we said last lesson, when I don't have any sign next to the number or next to the integer, that's mean this is a positive integer. Okay? That's mean the 5 is positive here. That's mean it will be on the right side of 0. It will be right here. What about the -9? The -9 is negative integer. That's mean it will be on the left side of 0. Right here. The strategy told me when we goes right on the number line like this. You like this line? Okay, when we goes right on the number line, the number becomes what? The number becomes greater. Which one is the greater? Look, 5 to the right of -9. 5 to the right. Look, according to the -9, 5 on the right, right? On the right side. 5 on the right side. So that's mean if 5 on the right side, if I want to answer this, 5 is to the right of -9. On the number line. So 5 is less than or greater than -9. Who will tell me on the chat? Okay, Lena, you can answer me. 5 is greater than or less than? Very good, Rina. Your answer is correct. 5 is of course greater than. Greater than. Okay. Now negative 2 and 0. Negative 2 and 0. I have to locate the numbers on the number line. The 0 will be right here. Where is 0? Of course, I know where is 0. This is the 0. Where is negative 2? This is negative 2. Okay? I know the strategy. The strategy told me when the numbers goes to the right side, the number becomes greater. So when I have to go to the right side, the numbers becomes greater. Which one is greater? 0 or negative 2? Which one is the greater? Look, 0 on the right side of negative 2, or I can say negative 2 on the left side. According to 0, negative 2 on the left side. Right? Negative 2 on the left side of 0 on the number line. So negative 2 is to the left side of 0 on the number line. So which one is the greater? Of course, as you said, 0 is greater than negative 2, or if I want to set negative 2 is less than 0. Thank you all. So here I will compare between the numbers by using less than or greater than. Okay? You can use always number line. Number line will be easier for you to compare between negative and positive integers. Okay? Okay, I will repeat again, Farah. I will repeat. Okay, girls? When I want to compare between two integers, the easiest way for you, the easiest way is to use number line. Okay, always I want you to use number line when you want to compare between two integers. Okay, so I have to locate the numbers on number line, then I will decide which one is the greater. That's mean this is 0 and negative line will be on the right side, on the left side of 0. This is 0, this is negative 2. I told you, the strategy told me, when you goes right on the number line, the numbers becomes what? Greater. When you goes right on the number line to the right side, like this, in this direction, the numbers becomes greater. I have to save this strategy. That's mean, look, when I want to look at the numbers here, 0 and negative 2, which one goes to the right side? 0. That means 0 is the greater number between those two numbers. 0 greater than negative 2. Or I can say negative 2 is less than 0. Okay? Okay, thank you. Very good. Now, let's move to the next one. I think you finished, right? Now, look at this table. This table about, I think, the temperature, right? The temperature. Here, I have record coldest temperature in 2007 in Fahrenheit. This is the unit. In 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 regions. Okay, I have 6 areas here. and I record the temperature in each one. So I want to compare between those temperature. I want also to order those temperatures, okay? So I want you to focus with me. I want you to forget all the questions in this page and just focus on the number line. Okay, girls, how to locate the numbers on the number line. This is the number line, okay? The number line here drawn in a vertical way. The same strategy. In the down, I have the negative side or the negative integers. Up, I have the positive integers, okay? Number line here is written in a vertical way. So let's locate the first one, negative 17. Negative 17. Look, I have here the steps between two numbers and number line is 10. Okay, so if I want to find negative 17, girls, negative 17, it will be between negative 10 and negative 20, right? It will be down on the negative side. Okay, so first okay, girls, please focus with me now. Focus with me. I will locate the numbers on the number line. Negative 17, I will put it between negative 10 and negative 20, down. So this is negative 10. This little here, little line, small line, sorry, is negative what? Negative 15. Between negative 10 and the 20, I have 15. That's mean negative 17, it will be right here. After 15, 16, 17. This is negative 17, which is I think a key. I will name it A. Okay, this is A. This is A region. This is A. Okay, what about the next one? 7. 7. I have 7 with no sign here. That's mean this number is positive or negative? Of course, positive. That's mean it will be up on the number line. Up. Up between what? Between what? Between 5 and 10. Between 5 and 10. I will name this point or this record B. Okay, so 7, it will be after 5 and before 10. That's mean here, right here, it will be here. This is B. Girls, so please stop typing to your friends, okay? Stop typing on the chat. The chat only if you have a question or if you want to answer. Don't talk to each other, girls. Now, the next record. The next record. Negative 25. Negative 25. So, it will be where? Negative 25. It will be down or up? Of course, it will be down. Down. This is negative 20. So this is negative 25. It will be between 20 and 30. This one. So I will name this one D. Okay, this one D. So this one will be D. Okay. Now 35. 35. It will be up or down. 35 is a positive integer. That's mean it will be up or down, girls. Up. Very good, Maria. up. 35, it will be between 30 and 40. 30 and 40 in the middle. This is 35. Okay, I will name this according to the L, according to the first letter in the name. So this one will be L. Okay, the last one, 18. 18 will be in the between 10 and 20. 18 will be down or up. First thing, down or up. This is a positive integer, that means it will be up. 18 between 10 and 20. After 15, right here, this is the point, 18, and I will name it M. So this is M. Now the last one, negative 5. Negative 5, where it will be where? Negative 5, it will be right here, down. Very good, down. After between 0 and negative 10 in the middle, this is negative 5, right, in the middle. I will name it P. P. This is P. Okay. Now girls, when I have the vertical number line, the strategy told me when the numbers goes up, when the number line goes up, or the numbers goes up on the number line, that means the numbers becomes greater. Okay, that means the numbers becomes greater. Okay, can you see it here? So the numbers becomes greater on the vertical number line when the numbers or the number line becomes up. So that means if I want to order the temperature from least to greatest. Okay, now I will choose you, Lena. What is your name? Yes, Lena. Yes. Open your mic.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, dear. Now I want to order the temperatures from least to greatest. After locating the hard step is how to locate the numbers on number line. So I locate the numbers on number line. First thing I have to order.
It goes greater, so it will be from up to down.
From up to down. Again. From least to greatest.
Yes.
From least to greatest.
It will be D, A, P, B, M, L.
Excellent. Excellent. Your answer is correct. Thank you so much, Lena. That's not from down to up. From the bottom to up. I have to go up because I want the least to greatest. That means the first number, the smaller number or the least number will be the number down on number line, which is D. This is the first number. I name the numbers now and I will write the numbers after that. The least number is down. It's okay, Lena, I know. Your answer is good, it was correct. Now, after that, the numbers greater from D is what? Is A. That means A will be after D. And which number is greater than A? After A, P. After that, B. Okay. After that, after B, M. And the greatest one is what? Between those numbers, L. Very good, girls. Okay? So after naming those, I want you to erase all the questions in this page. A lot of questions. No need to those questions. Just order the numbers. Just I want you to locate then the points on the number line. Order those numbers. Now I will write the numbers. D is negative 25. A is negative 17. P is negative 5. B is 7. M is 18. And L is 35. Look, this is the order from least to greatest. You have to focus on the order is from least to greatest or from greatest to least. You have to focus on the question. Okay, girls? When you finish, please type 1 in the chat. Okay, if you don't, okay, Maria, you don't finish, okay. I will wait you. Okay. Lamar, which step you don't understand it? The number line or the order? This step, the last one, you mean the order? Okay, I will repeat it again. So when I want to order the number on the number line, I have here a vertical number line, not horizontal. When the number becomes up in this direction, the numbers becomes greater. That's what I told you. I want to order from least to greatest. That means I have to start from the first number down and goes up. That's why I told you D, you have to order. D is less than A. That means A after the D. After that P. After that B. After that M. After that L. Yes, you have to locate the numbers on number line, because you learned, this is the first lesson for you about negative and positive integers. You can't compare between integers without number line now. Okay, girls? Welcome, dear. Now I will solve the exercise after that by using number line. I will erase those. Okay. Okay. Now, the strategy told me that when we goes in this direction on number line, this direction, the numbers becomes greater. So I will compare now. Compare, that's mean I will use greater than or less than. Yes, Maria.
Okay. Hi,
Now,
teacher.
hi, dear. First example is negative 8 and 6. First thing, I want to locate negative 8 on the number line. It will be where?
It will be between 7 Between 9 and 7.
On the right or on the left of 0?
Right.
Again, on the right or on the left? Negative
Left.
integer on the left. That means this is a negative 8. See? Girls, if you want to answer correctly, I want all of you to draw number line up in this page. Up, I want you to draw number line with ruler and divided it and use it to compare. All of you, okay? Yes, Maria.
Okay.
Now, where I have to put 6 here?
I have to put it
Right or left?
right.
Right, very
Between
good.
4 and 5.
Okay, I don't have here 6, so I will complete this number line like this. Complete it. And the 6 will be after 5. This is how I will draw number line. This is 6, okay?
Okay.
So this is the number. Now I want to compare between negative 8 and 6. I told you when we goes to the right side on number line, to the right direction, the number becomes what?
Greater.
Which one is greater, Maria? 6
6.
or negative 8? Very good. 6 is greater than
Positive 6.
Excellent. Negative 8 on the left or side or right of 6?
It's the left.
Excellent. It's the left. Look, negative 8 on the left side. On the left side of 6. That means negative 8 is less or greater than 6? Maria, with you.
Less than 6.
Very good. Less. Very good. Less than. Okay. I'll write it again. Thank you so much, Maria, for helping me. Okay, I'll write it for you. Less than. So the comparing between two numbers, I can use symbol like this, or I can use words less than or greater than. You have to focus when you want to use words, the two words less than or greater than. I want you to be focusing when you want to use those words. What about 1 and negative 8? Okay. Yes, Serena? You want to answer or not?
I want to answer, of course.
Yes, dear. Let's see now. 1 and negative 8. Where is negative 8 on the number line? On the right or on the left?
Left.
On the left. Very good. On the left side. I already put it here. Negative 8. I already draw it. Now, what about 1?
At the right.
Very good. On the right side. This is 1. Which one is the greater number? 1 or negative 8?
1.
Very good. 1 is greater than negative 8. The symbol goes to this direction. Thank you so much. Very good.
You asked for me to show you the 8 and 1.
Okay, thank you so much, Rina. Very good. Now the last thing, I think you have a session after math, girls? Because the session is ended, we will continue inshallah tomorrow, not tomorrow, on Sunday. There is no homework, of course, because we have to continue the lesson and do the exercises.